Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and today we are playing an indie game called Escape the Ayuwoki. Ayuwoki? I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It is described as a horror sort of game. It is on itch.io. As I said, it's an indie game, as is everything I play here. And we have to escape a mansion. So this game continues disturbing scenes, rituals, voices, but okay, I didn't quickly have time to read that. I was babbling, sorry. Oh, English or Spanish? Okay, well, obviously I'm English. We'll go with that. I'll leave a link to the description if you want to play. I don't know anything about this so far. It's the first time starting it up, so I'm not sure what to expect. Let's take a look at the instructions. You have to escape the mansion, but in order to do it, you first you have to find the main gate key. Okay, that key could be in anywhere in the mansion. Okay, doesn't really need the word in there. Be aware of the Ayuwoki. He can hear you. Okay. You can hide in hide spots scattered around the mansion, which are located behind some objects, in the furniture, under the tables. Okay. Keep in mind that if you're hidden with a flashlight turned on, you'll kill us anyway. Okay. Sounds simple, right? Well, maybe. WASD movement, space jump, left control crouch, shift is run. Flashlight, mouse click and E, interact, use actions. This icon will appear on screen once you click the key. Okay, yep, fair enough. Let's play. So yeah, it's made in Unity, as is everything on my channel. Let's see. Loading. Let's go then. Let's go. We're in. Where am I? What is this place? I need to find a way out of here. A flashlight. This will come in handy.
This will come in handy.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, it looks nice, doesn't it? Looks quite nice. Okay. Oh. Oh, so it auto hides under tables. Okay, fair enough. Let's get out of here then. Could do with like a prompt on the screen. I feel like I'm a bit short. I'm not sure whether it's me. Oh, bit glitchy there. Never mind. I feel like I'm a bit short. Okay, so I've got to find a red key. A red key, it says. At least that's what it says on the page on itch.io. I'm not sure why I'm still ducking down. I'm not doing that intentionally. I'm just kind of... Okay, there we go. Let's go through here.
Oh, damn it. I think I
need a key. Alright. What happens if I press tab? Escape?
Hello? Please.
Oh. I thought when it said exit, I thought it meant exit that menu. Okay, doesn't matter. Let's restart. Okay, we're back in the game. We are back in the game. So it doesn't appear to be anything down the left. So let's take a look down the right. Okay, that's nice. Now what's in here? I'm not sure. So I just know we need to find a key, but what's this? Oh, hello. Sorry, what? Huh? No, okay, I'm confused. So what happened there? You mean I can't... It just randomly happens? Is that what it is? Like, all I did was go here. Okay, so I can't look at the picture? Is that what it's telling me? As I noticed the picture was that.
Where am I? What is this place?
Okay.
Find a way out of here.
Right, well, fourth time look at this is now. Okay, right, so let me try again. Right. So he just kind of waddles at me. It's like... Huh? I mean,
What
what?
is this place? I need to find a
I'm
way.
not doing a very good job of escaping this. What is an Ayuwoki anyway? Okay, so if I turn my flashlight off. Okay, so let me do it this way. I'm going to try hiding under here. Can I hide under here? I don't know. Okay. Maybe it's just keep the flashlight off. What? Okay. Yeah. I'm not sure how much more I can take of this. I'm confused.
Where am
I mean,
What is this place? I need to find a way out of here.
is that the only way to go?
This will come in handy.
Is that the only way to go? Right, okay, my flashlight's off. There's no, like... Is there an indication of... that it's coming at me? I mean... I can hear music. No, guys, I'm confused. I mean, how many times have I died now? I don't get it.
Where
Am I supposed to hide?
This place? I need to find a way out of here. Flashlight.
I'm supposed to hide, aren't I? I think I'm supposed to hide. Okay, let me try again. So, turn flashlight off.
I have to get out of here. I have to get out of here.
I mean, I'm confused. I'm so confused. What do I do exactly? Because... have I got to stay in the shadows? Have I got to stay in the shadows? Is that how it works? Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm really confused by this game. I can't seem to get anywhere. I mean, sorry, what? No matter where I go, I just get kind of... Well, I can't escape that thing. Don't get me wrong, it looked really nice.
Where am I?
The game looks really nice. I mean, I can't deny that. I really can't.
This will come in handy.
But I feel like I'm doing something wrong. I really think I'm doing something wrong. And I don't fully understand what. See? I don't get it. So this play is just going to be me over and over,
What is
dying,
this place? I need to
and
find a way out of here.
I want to try and get past where I was before.
This will come in handy.
I'm thinking if I keep my light off, take it slowly, stay in the shadows. Maybe if I put my flashlight on, go under the table. Maybe not. I'm taking it slowly. Now what? I mean, I don't get it. It's there. I can see it. It's gone. Okay. Okay. Okay, I've got further than before. I'm done. Okay. That was Escape the Ayuwoki. I did not escape it. That game really confused me, I've got to be honest. I didn't understand it one bit. I like how it looks. Visually, it looks really good for an indie game. I cannot deny that. The concept sounds amazing. I've got to be honest. I like the idea of you have to escape it, even though I really, really couldn't. If you liked it, what you saw here, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. It is an absolute shame I couldn't get further than what I did, because I would like to see more of this, but honestly, it just does not explain things very well for me. It's. I mean, how do I get away from that thing? I can hear the music, I get it, but there's just not enough time. I think it's a very refined skill set to actually do this game. So if you want to have a go, I will leave the link in the description. Honestly, I still can't get over how good it actually looks for an indie game. I do like the atmosphere. I absolutely love it.
What is this place?
And the whole idea of it kind of reminds me a little bit of Resident Evil 3, i.e. Nemesis chasing you down. And I loved Resident Evil 3, I've got to be honest. I mean, look at this. This looks really nice. I just wish I knew how to get away from it. So guys, yeah. Thank you very much for watching. I'm sorry I couldn't get any further. I will see you guys around.